know. Okay, next Omegle video. It's been a while. Today I'm jumping on Omegle as my kind of exploded jaw zombie. If you'd like to learn how to do this makeup for yourself, I'll pop a link on the screen up there. But with all that said, let's jump on Omegle.
Yo, that is so cool. What the fuck? Yo.
Hi.
Close the door. He's going pee. He's going pee and he has the door wide open. How disrespectful is that?
Well, disrespectful to some, a party for others.
I should eat his ass for doing that. I should spread his cheeks wide open and...
Is that how one eats arse nowadays? I'm so out of touch.
Yeah, well, I mean, I have a really short tongue, so I can't do much. So yeah, you got... Is that makeup? Is that like actual makeup?
No, it's real.
Oh, it's real. Oh, dude, I want to see what that tongue be doing.
Well, your dad, if he plays his cards right.
Oh my god, that's insane.
Whoa, dude! What are you doing?
Chilling.
Whoa. Stop speaking.
That doesn't really give me much choice here. What do I do?
Are you British?
Just a little bit.
That's nice. Are you from the UK?
Yeah. Hey!
What the hell is that? That's ass.
Sweetie, if your arse looks like this, you've got problems. All my life I've searched for someone with the same face shape. Do we have to get married now? Is it like a thing?
I think so.
Cool.
Oh,
Oh,
delightful.
thank you. Oh god, gash twinsies. Although mine's considerably more bloody, but...
You do that yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm. You seem like you're having a good time.
I don't know, but like, is it bad that I find it kind of like attractive?
Is it because my face kind of looks like a vagina?
Yes. What the hell, boy? What even is going on here? How did that happen to you?
I edged my boyfriend for too long.
What happened?
Blew my jaw clean off.
Wow.
Exploded.
Oh.
Okay. I might have gone too far with that one. Shit. Sorry. Oh god. Oh no.
Whoa, what the fuck are you?
Bit rude.
My bad.
Oh.
Look at this motherfucker.
Hi?
You're fucking ugly, dog.
You sure you don't have COVID? Because clearly you've got no taste. I'm gorgeous.
Fuck no.
Yay! Hello. Jesus. Would you like a... Jesus, what the fuck do minions like? Would you like a banana? No, sorry. Definitely shouldn't offer someone a banana on this website. Ew. Hello.
Oh, what a new filter.
Hmm?
Wow. Nice filter, bro.
What's a filter?
Nice face. I like your face, bro. You are so beautiful.
Oh! Thank you!
By the way, your tongue is very big.
Thank you. It is quite girthy.
Wow. Very nice.
What? Okay. Just compliment my girthage and leave me, that's totally fine too. This fucking website. Hi!
Whoa. Whoa.
Hell! I'll have you know, I never partake in the delicacy that is the tuna canoe, thank you very much. I much prefer the beef baguette. I don't know where that came from, I'm really sorry.
How
Hi.
are you?
Wonderful. Is that a doggy?
Yes, it is. Where is he? Bear, come here.
Oh my god, puppy! Oh! Oh! Please,
Yeah.
please pat the puppy. Oh! That is a beautiful doggo. Oh my god. The ears! What?
I know, he does.
Better than your mom. What the hell, man? Look at his ass.
Hey?
What's up, man? He look like your mom coochie right there.
What? If I genuinely look like his mother's vagina, I feel very sorry for his mother. How big were you as a baby? Bloody hell.
You know, a funny fact thing about it, when you're born, you either wore your mom as a hat or as a dress.
Well, technically speaking, that's not true. Because I was a sunroof baby, so...
Well, goddamn, I guess there's other options, huh?
Very true.
There you go. There you go. The more you know. Badoo, badoo.
Okay, this website never ceases to amaze.
Ah!
Jesus fucking Christ. Hey. My jaw already fell off once, it can't again.
You fucking scared me.
I scared you!
Yeah.
Blimey.
Oh my god, that's really cool.
Thanks.
Can I suck your dick?
Bold of you to assume I have one. Hey! Oh, don't. Oh, fucking hell. Bloody hell! Even with a mouth this big, I don't think I could accommodate that. Good for you. Shit.
Oh my god, I love that so much.
Thank you.
Oh my god. That scared me for a second. That's actually really cool.
Thank you. What is all this above you? It's quite nice.
We're in a closet. We're in a closet.
Oh, you're actually in the closet. Oh my god, you're in the closet. Honestly, that's the best staging I've ever seen on this
Thank
website,
you.
and that's hilarious. I love it.
You're the first person.
Oh my god. Amazing. Lighting and staging. Well done, 10 out of 10. Oh,
I'm sorry.
loud noises.
Sorry.
Hey, what's happening?
I don't know what's happening. This is happening. This is happening. Holy fuck. You were
Okay.
so cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome. No, I want to cry. Please, no.
Wow. Are you straight?
No.
I knew it. Slave.
Hey, why are there so many cameras facing ceiling fans tonight? Oh, honey, if you genuinely think a vagina looks like this, either your girlfriend's really unfortunate, or you just need to come out of the closet. It's okay. You can. Or not, that's fine. You do you.
Holy shit, you just scared the fuck out of me, bro.
Sorry?
Wait, hold on, what the fuck? How'd you do that?
Well, honestly, the other day I realised just how many years I've been doing this, and my jaw just kind of fell off. So here we are.
I'm just trying to process this into my brain.
Oh, fucking Pinkstylist.
Yeah, hi.
Fuck off. No way. Oh my
That's
god.
incredibly random. Hello.
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 I love it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait, hold up. I think I know you, bro. Wait, are you Pinkstylist?
Yes.
Wait, like actually,
Yes.
bro, I've been watching you forever, man.
Well, thank you. Hey! See, a few people have said that tonight. And you know what? I do have a master's degree in paleontology. You know, okay, I can't do it. I was going to make a really, really, really gross joke about liking the Licholotopus dinosaur. Nope. I can't do it. Nope. I regretted that joke before I even said it. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. No. No. I crossed the line. Oh, well, that's pretty cute.
Hello? What's your name?
Oh god, it's a talking bear.
What?
Oh god, I've officially gone insane. I'm hallucinating. I've been on this website too long.
You look insane.
Yeah, I agree. Oh god.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Goodbye, hallucina bear. I think that's my cue to hop off this website. Oh my god. Did that just happen? Oh.